Welcome everybody. This is Kamachi from NumberRoyale. We are welcoming you all for the 200th show today, and we are welcoming Beard Boy 01, P. Sanjay, Sri, Sairam, and Jeffy, Emerald, Numbers Guy, Scrappy 434, Cuckoo, Ritish, Cool Math, and hi to everybody. Today there is a good news. It's a most distinct game. The price is $10 and total number of winners is 30. So you have a 30 winners, $10. We increase the price today because it's today's special. Okay. So we are hi to everybody. Welcoming one more time. And the most distinct, you are familiar with that. So you had to answer the questions correctly, and not only answering the question correctly, and if it is different from others, your answers different from others, you will get more points. That's what it is. Okay. So are we ready to start the show? Before I start, I have a small riddle. Okay. Why did the girl throw the butter out of the window? Why did the girl throw the butter out of the window? Today winners are 30 winners today. So prizes. Richard is correct. Richard got it correctly. She wants to see the butterfly. So that's what it is. So that's good. So with the butterfly, with the good mood, let's start the question number 1. Desired result is 3. The given numbers are 9, 1 and 5. And the given operators are plus and minus. The number of possible solution is 4. So you have 4 possible solutions. I'm expecting all 60 of you solving it, and all possible solutions. So let's see. It's the first one is always we give a easy questions, and 56 is the maximum point. I got 52 of you solving it, and 50 is a leader is at 56. All possible solution was given. I'm very happy. Let's move on to question number 2. Desired result is 43. The given numbers are 4, 10 and 3. The given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. And number of possible solution is 4. So it has a 4 possible solutions. So is it possible to get all the 4 possible solutions? 43. So I know you all very well. You did a very good job. I think I'm going to get all possible 4 possible solutions. Yes, I got it. 57 of you solved it. So on 53 is the maximum and leader is at 109. Yes, we have 11 questions today. 2 of them is some survey questions. So we want to get some feedback from you. That's why it has 2 extra questions in there. Okay. So it's not a problem you have to solve. Okay. Let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is a survey. Would you participate in a tournament for a NumberRoyale World Champion? We are thinking of conducting it. Would you like to participate on the World Champion? So this game, number doesn't have a language. We can, anybody can, in any country, they can solve it. So we are thinking of World Championship. So let's see how many of you voting for yes or no or not sure. 51 of you, very good. And one person said no, that's good. So thank you very much for filling out the information. Let's move on to our regular question. Desired result is 4. The given numbers are 30, 3 and 6. And number of possible solution is 1. So obvious, I'm going to get all the possible solutions. And now the question is how many of you solving it? So let's see, at least 50. Can I expect that? 50 of you? Oh, sorry to hear that Ritesh, you got the network lost. What price the whole game? We are not sure. We will announce it later. Okay. So only one possible solutions. 10 is the maximum point, but 54 of you solved it. That is very good. Okay. So let's move on to question number 5. The desired result is 3.325. The given numbers are 4.4, 7.5, 10.125 and 3.7. So number of possible solution is 60. Because you lost the connection, maybe connection is not made once you are out. It is not possible to come in. That may be the problem, Ritesh. So before you play, make sure your connection is good. So out of 60, I got 13 possible solutions. 45 of you solved it. Very good. Minimum is 47, maximum 62. So leader is at 180 points. So, okay, let's move on to question number 6. Okay, this is not desired result, sorry. This is a survey question. Should the NumberRoyale World Champion tournament be limited by age? Can we do a 10 to 16 years old? Open for all ages? Don't know. So, Jarvis said a prize money $100. It may be more than that. So we may have more than that. So they hard to prove. I don't know what you meant, toast. So I didn't know what it is. So we are conducting. Is it fair for the students or fair for the students and also above 18 years old? So 44 of you said 10 to 16. Open for all ages is 40 of you voted for it. So we will keep that in mind when we are planning it. Let's move on to our regular question. Desired result is 61. The given numbers are 7, 14, 17 and 20. The given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. And number of possible solution is 8. Okay, let's see. 8 possible solutions. Am I going to get all the 8 possible solutions? And more than 50 people solving it? Am I greedy on it? Let's see what we get. If you practice them enough, I think you can participate on the tournament. We will see how we will get the feedback here from now. So 8 possible. I got all the 8 possible solutions. Wow, I'm really happy. And minimum is 43, maximum 62. But only 37 of you solved it. I'm glad it is not an elimination game. It is, you can still continue to play. Let's move on to question number 8. Desired result is 45. The given numbers are 6, 3, 1 and 5. The given operators are plus, minus, multiplication and division. And the number of possible solution is 60. So it has 60 possible solutions. It may not be easy to get all the 60 possible solutions. Maybe 25 possible solutions. Some of them are easier to get it. 9 times 5, 45. So can we get 5 is already there. Can he, the easy one? Jarvis said easy one. Emerald said lost it. Ratna MJ said got it. So we got 18 possible solutions. 38 of you solved it. And there is a multiplication was involved. 6 plus 3 times 5. And then divided by 1. Okay. So it looks like except subtraction it used all the operator. Okay. 53 is minimum. 61 is the maximum. You know leader is at 300 points right now. Let's move on to question number 9. Desired result is 2. The given numbers are 1 by 7, 9 by 7, 7 by 5. The given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. Okay. The number of possible solution is 4. Anuk asking me how do you find the age? That's where we need to ask the proof of it, or when we run the tournament at the time we had to find the way of doing it. So Harigan 219 only lost. Okay, so okay, we have 2 more questions. Okay, so the given possible solutions 4 possible. I got all the 4 possible solutions. 23 of you won this problem. Let's move on to question number 10. Desired result is 27. The given numbers are 18, 2, 15 and 5. The given operators are plus, minus, multiplication and division. Number of possible solution is 16. Yes, it's possible that somebody can fake. That's why when they are coming to the final tournament, we will make sure um, you had to make sure you have the certificate or whatever it is. So thank you very much for the comments on my earrings. Thank you. Okay, I got out of possible 18 possible solutions, I got only 3 possible solutions. Okay, is it very hard, this problem? Only 4 players solved it. It has a 2 multiplication. 15 times 18, that is where the critical point is, divided by 2 times 5. Okay, so that is what it made very hard. Okay, Emerald said very hard. I know you are not in that higher level, so that is okay. So keep on practice. Multiplication won't work. That multiplication, it worked here. There are 2 multiplication work. Let's move on to the last question. The given variables are 2x minus 5y, 3x and 20. Okay, given operators are plus and minus. Then the desired result is 15. So you have a 15. Number of possible solution is 28. Okay. See what is the value of x and y you get. Can I substitute x is 1 and y is also 1? Does it work? No, minus 1. It 1 minus 6. I got. Joker got it. Sujata got it. Vanu, it's a new name. I'm seeing it. Vanu got it. Very good. And 3 and 2. Sujata said 3 and 2. I think the value of x equal to 1, y is equal to 2 will work also. Well, out of 28 possible solutions, I got 11 possible solutions out of you. And then 52 is the minimum. Maximum is 60. And 34 of you solve it. Looks like you are getting better at algebra. Okay? Fractions and decimals. So you want in decimal, in the fractions and decimals, you want division on it. Okay. So what's popping is asking if he or she wants the harder problems. Okay. Yeah, it is coming. So we will, that you can practice yourself. The minimum is 278 and the maximum is 460. So those are the between those numbers, they are the winners. Birdie Flurry is our Number Royale crown today. Congratulations, Birdie Flurry. We are crowning you as a Number Royale today. And Strange Thinker is a second place at 419 points. And each player get 33 cents each. Okay, so congratulations to all the players, not only all the winners and all the players also. Remember, without number you are not even 0. Be a hero. Play Number Royals every day. Thanks for playing. We'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. This is Kamachi signing off from Number Royale.